Tá a bá torí igi gbodi, a suna funni ya. Tá a bá torí igi gbodi, a suna funni ya. And in the olden days, it's still happening today. We cook basically using firewood. And people will go around, go around the farms to gather stick, which they will use in cooking. Now, in the course of gathering this firewood, sometimes quarrel ensued. Maybe the woman is trying to take a firewood from the fence of a farmer. Quarrel will ensue, and there will be insults, there will be reaction, there will be fights. Now, when the woman has taken this firewood to the house to cook, Yoruba says that firewood should encourage the person who has been insulted as a result of looking for it. The firewood should pay the person back by burning very well. Tí a bá torí igi gbodi, if we have made enemy, if we have encountered enmity as a result of trying to find firewood to cook, that firewood should burn very well. What is the meaning of this? Let's take for example, children, that the parents are laboring over you. They go to work in the morning, they come back in the night, laboring hard, life difficult for them, just because you can survive, just because you can have a good education. Yoruba is saying there that you, as the recipient of that effort, should encourage them by doing well in your academics. It's telling us that any effort being placed upon us, being expended upon us, we should respond in a way that will encourage the person doing this for us. Tí a bá torí igi gbodi, a suna funni ya ni.